show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Make sure
Come on.
you know where this.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
True.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey,
Nice.
wait.
I like that too.
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Make it happen.
Come
Give me some.
Okay, I'll make it happen.
All right,
Now
all
get
right.
out of here.
We got it, we
I
got
hate
it.
all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Right. Okay, folks. The show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast